Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. As you can see, we are continuing with this LHB Rajdhani coach over here, modeling of this. So we'll be continuing it. So very first of all, now what I'll be doing over here is like, we'll be creating few of the things over here which are just left out over here. So let's start modeling that. So for that, I'll just go onto the top view over here and I'll take a box over here. So I'll slightly just shuffle this up and slightly increase its height. And now I'll again take a line tool over here. I'll just take a line tool and I'll drag it over here. I'll go into the vertices. I'll give a bit of fillet to it. After that, I'll go into rendering, enabling viewport, and I'll increase its thickness a bit. So convert to editable poly, select this polygons. So I'll go into this polygons over here and I'll just extrude it by local normal. That's it. After that, we have few more things over here. Again, I'll go over here. I'll just take a copy of it till here. So I'll slightly shuffle this over here. I'll scale a bit and I'll again make one more duplicate of it. I'll go into this. I'll also isolate this, convert to editable poly, and let's just attach this first. So now I'll select its polygons and I'll give a bit of inset and I'll just bridge it. So I'll just end isolate this over here. I'll slightly extend it. So I'll be just extending this if required. Now I'll again go over here. So slightly I'll shuffle it. I'll make a copy of it over here. And duplicate it. Just save the file over here. So now we have few things over here which will be, again I'll go over here and I'll take a chamfer cylinder. So let's just take a chamfer cylinder over here and go to this, slightly just push this over here. Increase its radius and the height, slightly give a bit of fillet to it. I'll give a bit of fillet segments also with it, and after that I'll just convert to editable poly. Before that, I'll add one height segment, convert to poly. I'll select this polygons, I'll delete it. I'll just select this border, right click and I'll gap it. Slightly just shuffle this over here. I'll go over here. I'll go into this and I'll add one swift loop. So select this over here, select the edges, select the polygons, by local normal, reduce this, slightly I'll just shuffle this up till here, and I'll right click and I'll give a bit of cut over here. So let's just add a cut over here. So you can manually add the cut over here and slightly give a bit of extrusion over here. So again I'll go into this, I'll take a line over here and reduces its thickness, select the vertices, slightly I'll be adding a bit of fillet to it, and again mirror it in x-axis and slightly I'll shuffle it over here. So duplicate this again. So select this and let's attach it. So select this edges, ring it, and let's give one connect to it. Click OK. Select this polygons and I'll just bridge this. So just select this whole element. I'll just give one color to it. So we are just defining some of the details which we can easily see over here. After that, I'll go over here, I'll put one swift loop over here, I'll select this polygons area and I'll just press shift and drag it to object. So I'll select this, I'll go into hierarchy, affect pivot only, center to object, and okay, cannot flip that because it is on the other side. So even if you just mirror it in x-axis, so it cannot be done. Okay, we have done it, I'm sorry. Alright, so what I did over here is like I just mirrored this element. Again I'll go into this, I'll very first of all I'll slightly shuffle this till here, put one swift loop over here, select this polygons and let's delete this, select this whole thing over here, just attach it. So I'll be just attaching this first over here, then I'll select this border, then we can easily bridge this, control and backspace, and you can just remove that, the rest of the portion. So again I'll go over here, I'll select this and this, so let's just copy that. So I'll just copy it till here, and this element, all this stuff, I can again select this and let's mirror it, make a copy of it in x-axis. I'll drag it till here. Alright, so the same way I'm again going to select this whole thing over here and let's just duplicate it till here. So just scale this stuff over here. So I'll just assign a basic color to it. Before that, let's save the file first. I'll just add a standard material over here and I'll just give a bit of specular to it. Definitely we'll be doing the detailed stuff and we'll be also working with the texturing part. I'll just duplicate it for now. Just to show up. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll be continuing the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. So we'll be coming up with a lot of more things over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.